Yes, hello, Abdulaziz. Good afternoon. So, before we start, let me ask you about last lesson. Do you remember what did you study last lesson?
Probably want grammar,
Okay.
vocabulary.
Yes, adjectives for describing places, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, as you see
Right.
in the picture, can you please describe the three pictures?
Modern, modern.
So,
Uh,
what do you mean by modern? You mean kitchen, modern kitchen,
yes.
right? Okay.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Comfortable, maybe.
Okay. Yeah.
Be sunny. Sunny,
Mm-hmm.
lively, lively,
Lively. But what do you
lively.
mean? What do you mean by lively?
يعني مكان حيوي أو يعني قابل للعيش يعني كذا.
So lively, like lively street, lively atmosphere, you can see a lot of
Mm-hmm.
activities or a lot of people. But this place, it's how to say it, lively place. No, you can say this. Lively means a place where you can do a lot of things. You can see different people doing different activities. But this is, you can say, peaceful place, comfortable place, attractive place, light place, sunny place, quiet place, maybe shady place. You can find here trees, and once you see trees, you expect to see shady areas, right?
Right.
So lively, no, you can live the atmosphere in a restaurant. It's a lively atmosphere, lively street, lively shopping mall, for example.
Mm-hmm.
What about the living room?
Uh, Portable,
Yes,
large,
portable. Okay,
modern,
right.
attractive.
Attractive, maybe spacious. What does mean
Mm-hmm.
spacious?
وسيع.
Exactly, يعني very large. Not only large, no, very large, spacious place. And also you can say it's a private, maybe a private place, where you can spend your comfortable time. Right. So now today, Abdulaziz, we need to complete Unit 9, as we mentioned, the second grammar focus. The second grammar focus. The first grammar focus, as we mentioned, describing here probabilities. Okay, probabilities and expectation in the future, like use might, may, will definitely, or won't definitely, like this, or definitely won't, right? And they probably will, or probably won't, probably.
Mm-hmm.
For this lesson, the second one, use when you write compound sentence, you can use when and other time words. For example, if I ask you a question, ya Abdulaziz, imagine you have $1 million. What will you do? What will you do if you have $1 million?
Uh, Start a business.
So how to say it? So if I have
If I have 1 million,
$1 million,
uh,
come on,
when
I will,
I could,
yes, I will
okay.
start my business, as you mentioned, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what is this? If I will. So what do you notice after will, after if? Use present simple or future?
Present.
Present simple. So after when or
Yes.
if, you should use present simple. Can you say, if I will have?
No.
No, exactly. Doesn't make sense. So you should use present simple after the time phrase, like when, like if. This is what you should understand today, how to structure compound sentences. Okay. طيب, if I ask you another question,
Okay.
what will happen if you overspeed? If you overspeed means you don't respect the traffic rules.
Uh-huh.
For example, the speed limit is
If I have fasted, I
so
will
yes,
accident.
exactly. So if I drive fast, or if I over speed, you can say F or you can say win. Both are right.
صح
When
أقول fasted ولا ما صح؟
no, over speed. Over speed يعني means you don't respect or don't show respect to the traffic rules. So if or when I overspeed, I may have an accident. I may have an accident, or I will have an accident. Or you can say I will be fined. I'll be fined يعني you will be punished.
Yeah.
الله يعينك بقى على أغرام الساحل. Okay. طيب, here,
Okay.
look at the pictures. This is fantastic lesson. It helps you to be creative and imaginative. An older power station. Look, what is this? Imagine, what is this, ya Abdulaziz? What is this place? Is it
مصنع.
maybe? Yes. It's an old power station. يعني ايه power station? Like Dammam or Khobar city, for example. How you can power your house? How can you use electricity in your house to power the TV, power all the appliances in your house? So you should use power station. Power station. Okay? In the center of town. Isn't used anymore. And there are plans to replace it with a cinema or a shopping mall or a shopping center, a hotel or block of flats. What do you think, Ya Abdulaziz? What is the best idea? What is the best idea to replace this huge area with some facilities, like maybe a cinema, a shopping center, a hotel, or a block of flats? What do you think? What is the best plan in your opinion? So you need to use this power station. خلاص, this is old power station. خلاص صارت خرابة خلاص. عاوزين الآن نستفاد من الموقع ده. الحكومة بتخطط. In your opinion, the best place, this is in the downtown, يعني ده في وسط البلد. انتبه, يعني ده the downtown.
Shopping center.
A shopping center or a hotel or a block of flats ولا cinema? What is the best?
Shopping center.
Shopping center. But why? I agree with you. Why?
مكان واسع. تقدر
Okay.
تحط يعني المول نفسه، يعني شوف تتر هو نفس المول صح؟ يعني في سينما في كل شيء يكون داخل.
You mean shopping center includes shops, cinema,
everything.
restaurants?
Yes.
Do you think shopping mall is a good idea to be in the center of the town?
Yes.
Imagine you have a shopping mall inside in the downtown. So means a lot of people will visit this place and they use their cars. So how about the streets in the downtown? It will be traffic jam. Most people in this area will experience traffic congestion. زحمة مرور غير عادية. That's why they build or they start shopping malls outside the city, not in the downtown, not in the center. Right? This is my opinion.
Right.
So, what about a hotel? Is it a good idea to build a hotel in this place?
Yes.
Yes. طب what about a block of flats? Do you agree with me? A block of flats. A block of flats
Good.
means يعني apartment building. يعني عمارات سكنية أو شقق سكنية.
Mhm.
Now listen to four people يا عبد العزيز. أنت رأيك شو بنقول؟ Okay, and for me, I see this is a good place for building a hotel. Let's listen to four people talking about the plans and the answer. يا ترى هيتفقوا زينا ولا هيختلفوا؟ قل تعال نشوف. Which plan is each person talking about? Does each person think the plan is a good idea or a bad idea? Okay, so you listen one time and please, Abdulaziz, answer questions 1 and 2. So, question 1, which plan is each person talking about? Does each person think the plan is a good or a bad idea? تعال نشوف. Listen. Ready to listen?
Yes.
Yes. So it's a good idea to think.
Unit 9,
Listening?
recording 4.
Yes.
Okay.
1.
It's very difficult for people to find the right type of place to live. Houses and flats, you know. There isn't enough cheap accommodation around here. So I think the flats idea is the best solution. Besides, if they build new flats, it will help other businesses in the area. I'll be very pleased when all the work is complete. It's a horrible building site at the moment.
2.
I'm sure they'll ask.
So what is the best idea? What's his plan?
Apartment.
Apartment. So he thinks the best policy or the best plan in this area to build a block of flats. Right. Another one.
Ask local people for their ideas before they make a decision. I think it's exciting. After the old power station goes, the area will be more attractive. Personally, I think the hotel scheme is the best one for the area. Unemployment is quite high around here, and there will be more jobs for local people if they build a new hotel on the site.
3.
What's her opinion?
Hotel.
Why? Why does she think the hotel is the best policy?
Can mix another job.
Yes, exactly. Local people find a lot of new jobs, and also the area will be attractive. The area will be attractive. Okay. Yes. Type another one.
If they decide to put a cinema here, it will create very serious parking problems. There aren't enough parking spaces for local people as it is, and the roads will have too much traffic. As soon as more people want to come to the town centre, the traffic will be terrible. I don't think the people who are developing this site think about the local people.
4.
So what does he
Cinema.
think? Cinema, is it good or a bad idea?
Good.
Good idea. But how? Means having
For
a
him.
cinema means a lot of people will visit the downtown. So all people will experience terrible traffic problems, you know? So it will be problematic. So he think that it's a very bad idea to build a cinema. So cinema for him, no.
Well, I'm not sure. Really, I'm not. Before they make a decision, they will have to ask local people what they think. Not everybody wants the same thing. The area will change completely if they put a new shopping centre there. We have plenty of small shops around here, and a shopping centre will make things very difficult for local businesses.
Type, what does she think?
shopping center.
Is it good or bad idea?
Bad.
Bad. Why?
ترافيك وأشياء كذا قالت.
Because of what? Because the area is full of small shops. The area is full of small shops. So once they build a new shopping mall, means what? Most people go shopping there. But the small shops, no, it's difficult to find customers. Okay? And this is true. I agree with her. So building a shopping center in this area is not good. Why? Because the small shops in this area will close. يعني هتفتح شوبينج مول بس في نفس الوقت هتضر ناس كتير عندها محلات صغيرة. Okay? So this is, I agree with her. So now listen again, Abdulaziz, and let me know which one you agree with them. Which one you agree with them. Let's listen again.
Unit 9, Recording 4. 1.
It's very difficult for people to find the right type of place to live. Houses and flats, you know. There isn't enough cheap accommodation around here. So I think the flats idea is the best solution. Besides, if they build new flats, it will help other businesses in the area. I'll be very pleased when all the work is complete. It's a horrible building site at the moment.
2.
I'm sure they'll ask local people for their ideas before they make a decision. I think it's exciting. After the old power station goes, the area will be more attractive. Personally, I think the hotel scheme is the best one for the area. Unemployment is quite high around here, and there will be more jobs for local people if they build a new hotel on the site.
3.
If they decide to put a cinema here, it will create very serious parking problems. There aren't enough parking spaces for local people as it is, and the roads will have too much traffic. As soon as more people want to come to the town centre, the traffic will be terrible. I don't think the people who are developing this site think about the local people.
4.
Well, I'm not sure. Really, I'm not. Before they make a decision, they will have to ask local people what they think. Not everybody wants the same thing. The area will change completely if they put a new shopping centre there. We have plenty of small shops around here, and a shopping centre will make things very difficult for local businesses.
Okay? Right. Now, Abdulaziz, what should we do? Listen and complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in brackets. In this activity, please focus on what the verb form is. If they build a new flat, it helps other businesses in the area. Okay? So as we agreed, as we discussed before listening, after if or when or any time before, you should use present simple. Now listen and please write the verb in the correct form. Can you do this before listening? Can you answer number 1 before listening, Abdulaziz?
Yes.
Try,
They
please.
built it. If they build it,
Exactly. So if
new
they
flat,
build,
it will help.
exactly. So if they build, here present simple, here it will help. So the first one, present simple, and the second one, future. So now listen and double check, please. As you mentioned, so if they build, no change, it will help. Okay? So now listen all of them without stopping from 1 to 6. Again, Abdulaziz.
لا.
Again, one more time.
No.
طيب. Number 2. Can you read your answer, please?
Okay. I am very pleased. لا. I have very pleased when other
Number
work.
Number 1, Abdulaziz, please focus on the time phrase. When? Before.
Okay. في وقت الماضي pleased قبل.
After. As soon as. If. Right? So here, if. So, as we mentioned, after the time phrase, use present. But before it or after, use future. So you should say here, I'll be.
I will be very pleased.
I'll be very pleased. أنا هكون مبسوط. إمتى؟ When all the work ماله
being completed.
is complete. طبعا المضارع من be is عندي am و is و are. work مفرد يبقى نقول is complete. طيب, please listen again. And this time try to give more attention to the question.
Unit 9, Recording 5. 1.
If they build new flats, it will help other businesses in the area.
2.
I'll be very pleased when all the work is complete.
3.
I'm sure they will ask local people for their ideas before they make a decision.
4.
After the old power station goes, the area will be more attractive.
5.
As soon as more people want to come to the town centre, the traffic will be terrible.
6.
The area will change completely if they put a new shopping centre there.
Now, are you okay?
Okay.
طيب, can you answer 3, please?
I'm sure they will ask the local
Yes.
people for their before made design.
Exactly.
لحظة بس.
Yes. Before they make a decision.
تمام.
طيب, 4.
Goes.
Goes. Yes, goes. The area
Will be more attractive.
perfect. Will be. As soon as more people.
Won't.
Yes, exactly. The traffic
Will be terrible.
will be terrible. Very bad. The area
Change.
will it change? Will it change or will be changed completely if they
put
a new shopping center? Right? So again, Abdulaziz, after present simple, after the time phrase, use present simple, and the second one, use future. Okay? So which verb here? Let's finish the grammar box. Which verb form comes after if, when, as soon as, or before? After.
After if.
After if, when,
Plus.
as soon as,
Verb
present
3.
simple. No. Present simple.
verb 2.
No, present simple يعني ضيف للفعل اس أو الفعل يكون
إيه.
سادة. طيب, if verb comes in the other clause of the sentence, other clause of the sentence means it will be future simple. مستقبل بسيط. Okay? What is the difference between when and as soon as?
أنا أحط
In
مرتين أنا أعطيني مرتين مثل will.
yes, when, for example, when I finish my homework, I'll call my dad. As soon as I finish my homework, I'll call my dad. مين فيهم هتتصل بابوك أسرع؟
ثانية واحدة
أيوة, as soon as. As soon as يعني بس أخلص الهومورك على طول I will call. لكن لما أقول when I finish يعني ممكن بعدها بساعة بساعتين أنا وحظي بقى. فاهم؟ لكن as soon as means what? At the right time يعني immediately. طيب يلا يا عبد العزيز, I give you 1 minute. Please try to choose the right answer for questions 1 to 8. 1 to 8.
أبدأ.
Yes, start please.
When I get a better job, I will buy a house in the town center.
I will buy. Yes. Good. 2.
Before I make
Yes.
a design, I will ask my friends
Decision يعني
for.
سووا قرار يعني.
Right. I will ask.
Yes, will ask. Yes, you are right. Mm-hmm. 3.
It will start the new building when everyone agrees.
Agrees and will. Yes, you are right. Will start. 4.
She will travel around Australia before she started the new job.
Exactly.
Will travel.
Perfect. Type 5.
If I don't pass my exam, I can't.
Yes.
I want to be.
Yes, I
Want
want.
to be.
Yes, that's right. 6.
After I finishes his course, he will get a job office.
So
Finish. Will get.
will get. Yes, that's right. طيب, next one.
I have time. I will go to the cinema this weekend.
It's the last one.
I will start a business as soon as I will have enough money in the bank. الأخير will صح؟
I will start as soon as I have.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, that's it. طيب, now, please, Abdulaziz, complete the conversations below with your own ideas. Practice reading your conversation. Okay. Here, complete the conversation below with your own ideas. Okay. Imagine you are talking to your mom. Could you do your homework now? Oh, mom, I'll do it when blah, blah, blah.
When I finish my sport.
Exactly. Yes, when I finish the film, for example. Yes. Are you going anywhere nice this weekend?
We might go to the picnic if my friend
Comes. Yes, if my friend
comes.
comes. طيب, we haven't got any mail.
No, I will go on to buy some as soon I've finished my work.
Exactly, as soon as I finish my work. طيب, are you enjoying your new job now?
I hate it. I want to leave as soon as when I get my money.
Yes, I get the salary. طيب, are you going to have a holiday this year?
I hope so if my father finish his work.
Finishes his work early, for example. So, when are we going to do, or when we are going to see each other again?
I don't know, I'm very busy at work at the moment, but I will phone you when I finish work.
Perfect, when I finish work. Well done, Abdulaziz. Perfect. Now listen to this dialogue and compare your conversations with the ones you on the recording. Let's listen.
Unit 9, Recording 6. 1.
Oliver, could you do your homework now?
Oh, Mum, I'll do it when this program finishes.
2.
Are you going anywhere nice this weekend?
We might go for a picnic in the country if the weather's not too bad.
3.
We haven't got any milk.
Oh no. I'll go and buy some as soon as I get dressed.
4.
Are you enjoying your new job more now?
No, I hate it. I want to leave as soon as I can find something else.
5.
Are you going to have a holiday this year?
I hope so, if we have enough money.
6.
So when are we going to see each other again?
I don't know. I'm very busy at work at the moment, but I'll phone you when I get back.
Okay. So far, so good, Abdulaziz?
Yes.
Type. Please, let's go to page 154 for further practice. 154. Right. Here for study 2, you can read this for further details. Present simple after if, when, and the other time words. The first conditional, if clause, main clause. If clause, as we mentioned, it should be in the present simple, and the main clause should be in the future. Right? And the when, as soon as, before, after, do follow the same. Follow the same. Can you please answer practice 2?
Okay.
You have 1 minute to do
I
it.
will tell you.
Okay.
Good. I will tell you if I see.
If I see him, yes. I'll tell you if I see him. 2.
I will cook dinner as soon as we get
We
home.
will cook as soon as we get home. Yes.
My
My
parents
parents.
might come to visit when they
Yes.
come back.
Exactly. When they come back from holiday. Type 4.
I will give you my email address before I go. Yes.
Yes, that's right. 5.
if the bus your exam, I will be very surprised.
Okay. Surprised. 6.
I will phone here when I finish my homework.
7.
If I go to the supermarket, I will buy some milk.
Exactly. 8.
He will email tonight if he has time.
Exactly. 9.
If it rain, I don't go. I won't go.
Yeah. 10.
If he gets the job, he will move to Shanghai.
Yes. If he gets, he will move to Shanghai. Excellent, Ya Abdulaziz. Perfect. Well done. This is another practice. Complete the conversations with the correct form of the verb in brackets. Okay, let's do this together. Thanks for a lovely weekend.
You're welcome.
Yeah, complete please.
اقرا كلها.
Yes. A, you are A.
You and Elise. Okay. You and Elise must come and stay with me when you is next in secondary.
Exactly, when you are next in Scotland. Yes.
Scotland.
Yes. 2.
And I will email you the photos
Perfect.
as soon I get.
I'll email you. Perfect. I'll email you the photos as soon as I get home. Well done. Type 2.
Would you like to come to talk when I got the design tomorrow? Okay, what time is it? Okay, I will come before I go to the gym.
Okay. So I'll come
Great.
before I go. Well done. Great. When?
Great. I will phone you when I arrive.
Yes, I'll phone you when I arrive. Yes.
Sure. I have a time. I will ask and go to.
Okay.
Remember to send a Gardama a birthday and card before you go.
Okay.
I will do it when I get back.
Exactly.
I will buy a card as soon as I get home.
Perfect. Well done, Abdulaziz. I think you can practice using and writing compound sentences in a perfect way now. Okay, so this is the end of our class today. As I told you, please, inshallah, expect to meet